Carefully cut the packaging ties surrounding the unit. Lift the packaging from over the unit. Lift the unit from the packaging and use assistance if needed. Remove hoses from the dishwasher interior. This should include drain, fill hose, washers, coupler, and adapter. Make sure the rubber washers are in the drain hoses before installing them on the dishwasher. Install the hoses on the bottom back area of the dishwasher. Be sure to make sure all these hoses are tight enough to stop any potential leaking. Remove the tap adapter from the hose coupler by pressing down on the top of the coupler. Remove the tape from the tap adapter. The two thick washers that are taped in the tap adapter may be too thick to allow a secure fit of the tap adapter to a household tap. Install the thin washer from the plastic bag that also contains the hose hook for the back of the dishwasher. Remove the gray plastic holder assembly from the bag. Align the bottom of the clip with the cutout on the top back area of the dishwasher. Make sure the top area and bottom area are properly aligned with the locking cutout areas. When aligned, push down on the clip, making sure it is locked into place securely. Make sure the assembly is pushed down far enough to lock it into place. Attach the tap adapter by removing the end of the household tap and threading it onto the tap. Press down on the coupler and attach it to the tap adapter. Your dishwasher is now ready for use. Continue this video for after cycle instructions. Turn the water off at the main tap. Push the red button on the coupler assembly. This allows the water pressure to be released from the hoses. Remove the coupler by pushing down on the locking collar that is around the tap adapter. When the coupler is off of the tap, turn the coupler upside down to try and remove any water that is located within the coupler. When the excess water has been removed, carefully hook the two hoses into the rear hose hook that is firmly attached to the back of the dishwasher.